Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about how to change the items in the list. So we'll discuss how to change the items in the list, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to create the new file and save it as change item list, right? And just save it dot py, right? And save it. Sorry. First of all, you have to go to the documents and you have to go to the Python programs, and here you have to save this file. Let's click on save, right? Then the file will be saved in that folder, right? So first of all, I'll give the list is equal to we are having apple, right? And we are having banana, right? And we are having cherry, right? So after that, I will write list of 1 is equal to Iron Man, right? So whatever you want, you can do it, right? I'm changing the list of 1. What is the list of 1? It is banana. So I'm changing the banana item into the Iron Man, right? So let's print the list. Let's print list. Save it and click on F5. See, instead of banana, we are having Iron Man, right? So in this way, we can change the values in the list, right? For example, we have changed only one value, right? Right? If we want to change multiple values in the list, so what you have to do is, so first of all, I will add some values here. Orange, kiwi, right? After that, mango. After that, mango. So I have added 3 values in the list. So now I will do list of 1 column 3, which means 1 is this, right? So 1 is this, 2 is this, and 3 is this. So as I told you, the last index will be neglected, right? So it is banana and cherry only, right? So I will give list 1 column 3, and I will change the values. So for the first value is Archer, and the second value is Power. Some random numbers, right? So instead of banana and cherry, what I have to give? Like what I have to get? Achyut and Pawan, right? Just comment this thing. Right? So after that, I will just print the list. Save it and click on F5. See here, instead of banana and cherry, we are getting Achyut and Pawan, right? So in this way, we can change the multiple values in the list. We can change the multiple values in the list, right? For example, we are having I'll just copy this thing and I'll just give here, and here I'll give list 1, right? So I have given some list here. Yeah, so we have given a list 1. So after that I'll give list of 1 colon 2. So 1 colon 2 means, so it will start from here and it should be n here only, right? So 2 will be neglected. 2 will be neglected, right? So I will change, like I will give 2 values here. I will give 2 values here. I will give these values only, right? I have given 2 values, right? I have given 2 values. So after that, so in the place of banana, you will get Achyut and Pavan, right? So the cherry will be moved to the end. Cherry will be moved to the end. See here. List 1, right? We can comment this thing, right? So you have commented. So save it and click on F5. So we are having list 1, right? Save it and click on F5. See, we are having Achyut and Pavan, and cherry is moved to the end. Cherry is moved to the end. So which means you have given only one change, but you have given 2 values. So then what happened? The rest of the values will be moved to the end. So wherever you put the change, there these 2 values will be there in that index, right? I hope you understand. So in this way we can, if we give less, like less values, so sorry, if we give more values in the index, in one index, if we give more values in one index, so those values will be replaced here and the rest of the values will be moved to the end, right? I hope you understand, right? For example, so I will just copy this thing and I'll give 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, but I will give only one value, right? I'll just comment this thing. So what I'm doing, I am giving 1, right? 1 2 and 3 also I'm giving, right? So it has to travel up to 2, 0 1 2, right? It has to travel up to here. So but we are having only one value, right? So what happened? So what will happen is, so this whole thing will be converted into this one value actually, right? Let's see. Let's print list 1, save it and click on F5. See, the whole thing, the whole banana and cherry will be converted into this actually, right? If you give more indexes and less values, then all the indexes will be changed into that value, right? That one value. And if you give less indexes, and if you give more indexes, right, then that current index will be changed to this values, right? And the rest of the values will be moved to the end, right? I hope you understand, right? I will take this thing again, and here I will give list 2, and I will just comment this thing, right? We have given comment. So in the list 2, I will give list dot insert. So I am giving an insert method, right? So we can specify the index. So in the place of index 2, I want to insert, for example, watermelon, right? So in the place of index 2, the watermelon will be inserted, right? So in this way also we can change the values in the list. Let's print list 2, right? Just click on save and click on F5. Sorry, in the list 2, right? Let's save it and click on F5. See, in the place of cherry, we have inserted watermelon, right? Then and the rest of the value will be moved to the end, right? So we are not replacing it, we are just inserting in the value 2. In index 2, right? So in the insert method, it will be inserted only, it will not be replaced, right? I hope you understand. So I hope you understand all these things, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.